My name is Ash, and welcome to my crafting corner. Today we are going to be painting Jahy, from the manga The Great Jahy Will Not Be Defeated. Starting with a basic skin tone airbrushing. Go over the main parts that are skin only, try to get as little paint on her clothing as possible, so there is less cleanup work needed later. Begin painting her boots, with a dark blue. The first layer will come out very light, but once you add the second layer of paint, it will become much darker and look correct. Then begin to paint her shorts. Luckily they are also the same color as her boots, so repeat the process of one layer then a second one to get the dark look. Her thong underwear is the same as the rest. one layer, then paint the next. Begin by painting the parts you want gold with a black first. The black helps the metallic pop, giving a much richer look. Then begin to add the gold one layer at a time to the parts that need it. Inside of her necklace is a red monocrystal. I wish I had bought a gloss varnish to coat the gem after painting, to make it look like it was shiny. Her hair is just a simple eggplant purple, done in about 2 layers of airbrushing. This is the hardest part of the figure to do. The fine detail of a face is what really sells the look of the character. When I am painting the skin tone on the face, I always think it looks wrong. Once I start to paint the eyes, eyelashes and the eyebrows, I start to feel happy with how they look. It makes the figure look alive. The eyes are simple, yet very hard to do. Paint on a yellow circle for the color, then add a lighter color to make a highlight. Then very carefully add a black dot for the pupil. And with that, we are on to the glamour shots. I want to thank you all for watching the video, and if you liked what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell for future videos.